Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to revisit our friends of 10. We're going to revisit addition, and then we're going to do the opposite with our friends of 10 and do takeaway. So reminding ourselves some other words for addition. We might say find the total, how many altogether, plus, in all, add, the sum of, both, increase, more. And there are more words than that, but that's definitely a good start. Let's have a look at some other words for subtraction or takeaway. We can decrease the amount. We can have less than what we started, fewer than what we started. We might find the difference from the big amount we started with to what was taken away. We might need to find how many more we need to get to the whole amount. There are some more words for subtraction as well. That's a good start. So looking at today's activity, it says, if you know which two numbers go together to make 10, you know what number is left if you take one of those numbers away from 10. So just revisiting our friends of 10, we know, oops, up here, 1 and 9 make 10. Say it with me. 2 and 8 make 10. 3 and 7 make 10. 4 and 6 make 10. Sorry, I'm trying to keep it steady. 5 and 5 make 10. 6 and 4 make 10. 7 and 3 make 10. 8 and 2 make 10 altogether. And 9 and 1 make 10 altogether. So let's have a look. If we add 9 and 1, we know 9 plus 1 equals 10, or is the same as 10. Well, let's see what that looks like with these, what have I got, these blocks here. So there's one block here. Oops, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 blocks. And one more, add on 1, what comes after 9? 10, makes 10 altogether. Well, if we do the opposite and start with 10 and then take away 1, we know we have that 9 left. So that's what we're going to do today with our friends of 10. We're going to look at what two numbers go together to make 10, and then look at what we get if we have 10 and take one of those numbers away, or part of the whole group of 10 away. So let's start with, let's see, 1, 2, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 make 10 altogether. So 10 take away 2 leaves 8. Another one. Let's have 7. 7 and what make 10? There's our 7 there. We know 7 and 3 make 10 altogether. So if we start with our 10 and take 3 away, we know we have 7 left. One more. Let's leave 6 in this pile, and we'll put 4 over here. 6 and 4 make 10 altogether. So we know that if we've got our 10 altogether and we take away our 4, we have our 6 left over. Or we might say 10 take away our 6. We have 4 left over. So let's see what that looks like in a number sum or a number problem. Okay. Sorry for the wiggling. If 9 and 1 is 10, well, the 10, take off the 1, leaves the 9. There you go. 8 and 2 together makes 10. So if we've got that 10 that we wanted to achieved by putting them together. When we take the 2 away again, we're left with the first part, the 8. So 10 take away 2 is 8. So if we have one pile of 7 and one pile of 3 and put them together, we have 10 altogether. So if we've got that 10 and we take that pile of 3 away, take away 3, we have the pile left that had 7 in it. Now if we've got a pile of, let's have a look again, 6 blocks and a pile of 4 blocks and we put them together, oops, we know that 6 and 4 is 10 altogether. And so if we have that 10 and we take the 4 pile away, we know we still have the 6 left over. So it's the whole number, take away one part, leaves the other part. All right, this time we've got 2 parts of our whole. 5 is one group, 5 in another group. We know that a group of 5 and another group of 5 put together makes 10 altogether, because 5 and 5 is 10. Let's do the opposite now and start with our big group. 10, take away one part or one pile of 5, and we've got the other part left over, which was 5. Now, straight line, big tummy, put his hat on, 5 sure looks funny. Now, if you finish that, that did not take a long time today, so I suggest that you go to Mathletics and try and do as many of the addition and subtraction problems as you can. Now, if it's very easy for you, talk to your teacher and your teacher can set you harder activities. So your teacher can change your Mathletics account so that you have access to harder activities. It will still be addition and subtraction, but they'll just be harder for you. So you are more challenged, and it's good to be challenged. But thank you for your hard work, and I look forward to seeing your post on Seesaw.